taking the Turbo Buick for a ride. Hear that nice turbo whoosh. Fun driving little car. Whoosh goes the turbo. It's a good driving car. Done a lot of work to it since I got it. Rebuilt the entire front suspension, the rear suspension, the rear end, the brakes, differential, locker, new gears, new turbocharger, well, new condition. Came from my 87 Turbo T. Same thing as a Grand National as far as the turbo goes and the engine. It's just in a more sleeper body like this car. This car is a Buick Regal Sport Coupe, Buick Regal Sport Coupe Turbo Limited. So this is a very limited model of the Buick Regal. It's called the Sport Coupe, and it came turbocharged with a 4-barrel carburetor. So it's draw-through turbocharging, not like today's turbocharging, which is basically blow-through, or the turbocharger blows into the intake manifold after it sucks the airflow mixture from the air cleaner and gets the measurement from the MAF sensor. So yeah, this turbo is one of the first Regals. Well, it is the first Buick Regal with a turbocharger. They started in '78, but it didn't change for 1980 very much. Now in 1981, they went to computer control carburetors. So this is the last year it was completely mechanical carburetor before they changed to computer control carburetors. So yes, this car is one of the last greats that was draw-through 4-barrel carbureted right from the factory. Factory draw-through turbo, right from the showroom. And I just enhanced it with a later version of the turbocharger, a better carburetor with easier float adjusts and bigger jets, external wastegate instead of internal wastegate, and a side pipe exhaust system from the turbo back with just a glass pack, because the factory had a catalytic converter on it in 1980 and a smog pump, which both of those went bye-bye because they were not very efficient. And I'll let you hear how the turbo responds now. Here we go. Since the speedometer doesn't work, I just kind of know. So now I'm just kind of chilling here. Looking around the neighborhood here. I'll do a nice little stop here and let you hear the car. Here we go. Let's hear the turbo spool. Hear the turbo. Hear the turbo spool. Turbo spool. Turbo spool. Here we go. Turbo boost. Turbo boost. Listen to her go. Look how fast we're going. Wow, we're moving fast. Woohoo! Well, hope you enjoyed this video of driving the old Turbo Buick around. It's been a long time since I drove it around. It's a great little car. She's, gosh, 40 years old now. Wow. So look at that. 40 years old. She's old enough now to go to the yearly Hot August nights, because they require it to be 40 years old or older, and now this car is ready for Hot August nights, and hopefully I'll see some of you guys there if they ever get this COVID-19 bullshit all fucking adjusted to where we can all get 6 feet of each other and do everything we want again and have a little bit of freedom in our fucking lives. Alrighty, well, you guys have a great day and mad boosting.